Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, June 9th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Swiss. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord group. It's a link down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So the US dollar Swiss has been drifting down since market open. We have our Fibonacci retracement out here just to see how price reacts to these fib levels. But for me personally, because of my higher time frames, I am definitely primarily only looking for sorts in a downtrend right now. If we go up to the daily time frame, you can see that we definitely don't have it engulfing up. We don't have a break of structure up. We definitely don't have a fib bounce. There's really nothing stopping this thing from going down a lot more potentially. If it does change directions, I'll be more than happy to start looking for longs, but it definitely hasn't yet. So for me personally, it might drift up a little bit, but even if it does, I am definitely, as a swing trader, waiting for more sorting opportunities at the end of three-way pullbacks for the continuation of the higher time frame downtrend. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.